Today I was gonna do a carcass cam. I shot a buck last night, and I need to dump the carcass, what's left over. So figured it'd be a good chance to do it. I've been wanting to do it for a while. So get this windmill behind me. It's kind of open right here. So I'm gonna drag the carcass right over here and mount a camera to the windmill facing out that way and see what comes in. Well, couldn't get it on the couldn't get it put on the windmill. Couldn't get the game cam put on the windmill. Just wouldn't go on there right. So I put it right there on that right there on that old fence post. I got it right in front of it. It's kind of on the back end of our lease, so I know we got lots of coyotes, so I'm expecting to see coyotes and probably buzzards and who knows what else. We'll find out. So I'll turn the camera around here and show you what it looks like. All right, there is the carcass and there is the camera. You can tell. Use some handy dandy zip ties to get it in place. Looks like it's pointing right at it, so I'm anxious to see what happens. All right, guys, well, got it all set up. I'm gonna leave it here. It's gonna be a month or two before we get back to the lease, so by that time I'm sure that carcass will be long gone, obviously, but we'll pull the card then and see what we get, and we'll let you know.